Welcome to solverfy.
So we want to know which processes are possible, which are forbidden. So let's run from the beginning. So we have the scattering of the pion plus the proton creating a kaon plus a sigma minus. So this reaction is possible because everything is conserved. So we have charge conservation. So for Q is -1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1. So this is 0, this is 0, so this is okay. Baryon number we have 0 plus 1, and then here we have 0 plus 1, and then this is also okay. Lepton number and strangeness is also everything 0, so this reaction is possible. Now for the next reaction, we have pi plus the proton going to K plus sigma plus. So this reaction is also possible because it conserves everything. So we have charge 1 plus 1 plus 1, and here is also plus 1 plus 1. Baryon number again is 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, and then lepton. And sorry, I said that the strangeness is 0. In this case, it's not 0, but they cancel. So we have here K plus has strangeness of 1 and sigma minus has strangeness of -1. And again, this particle lepton number is 0, and then the strangeness here is 0, 0, and here is 1, and here is -1. So they cancel, and then this all conserve. So it's possible. Now for the third reaction, we have pi minus plus proton going to lambda 0 plus K0 plus pi 0. This reaction is also possible because it conserves everything. So let's see the charge. We have -1 plus 1, and here is 0, 0, 0, conserve. Baryon number we have 0 and 1, and here we have 0, 1, 0, 0. So it is conserved. Lepton number is trivially 0, everything. And then strangeness, we have 0, 0, but we have -1 plus 1 and 0, so it's also conserved. So we have this reaction is possible. Now for the question D, we have the reaction of pi plus the proton going to sigma 0 plus pi 0. So from the start, we see that we have double charge here and don't have any charge here. So this is not conserved because charge is not conserved. So we have 1 plus 1, and we have 0 and 0. So this is not conserved, not possible. And finally, we have E, that is pi minus plus proton going to proton plus E minus plus nu E bar E. And then this reaction is also possible. And let's see the charge conservation. We have -1 plus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Baryon number 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Conserve. Lepton number now we have 0, 0, but we have 0, 1, minus 1. And strangeness, everything 0. So everything is conserved. The last thing that we need to say, so this is possible. We need to identify which interactions are the reaction going. So we have here for part A, this is a strong interaction with pion decay, so this is strong. For part B, we have again strong, so it's proton scattering with a pion, so it's a strong interaction. In part C, we again have a strong interaction, it's a proton-pion interaction, so it's strong. D, the reaction is not possible. And for E is a weak interaction, so we have electrons and electron neutrino being appearing in the final state, so this is a weak interaction. And notice that we did not check mass conservation. And then it could be possible that some reactions have all charge being conserved, but the mass doesn't allow the particle to decay or to scatter it to